If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin Update. Today is going to be Wednesday 30th of November, and we're looking at Bitcoin right now. This stupid coin just made a pump to the upside, but unfortunately there's one little bit of a problem. But before that, I just want to say that one day is left before we close the signal. Now yesterday there was a technical issues with my microphone, and I didn't like how my microphone was messing up. I don't know, too much drama went on, but I still couldn't resolve with my mic. I don't know what's the problem. Maybe the line has a problem, the cable has a problem, or the microphone is dead. Couldn't figure out completely. So anyways, I do have this headset that I use for gaming, and I'm just gonna take that one as well. And at the moment, the problem with Bitcoin that I see is that let's not get ahead of ourselves with this pump right now. So that pump is expected, I mean, not too much expected, but it still doesn't surprise me. That's what I'm trying to say, that, yeah, you pumped, but I'm not surprised, because this pump that happened seems like the second trial that they're doing. It's simple, support and resistance, nothing else. If I do go back to what I want to explain here, look at the following. Okay, so this is how I'm looking at the market right now, and that market just shows the following, that this was one support right there. Actually, you came here to make that pennant right there. Pennant breaks down to $12,000, but you made that one support right there, one support right here, move back up, come up to the resistance, pump down, go up to resistance, pump down, go up to resistance again, and then continue on like this one. And then you drop down like this, went up, make one level of a trade. And if this looks like an easy shorting opportunity, so all they did is went down here to $15,900. I was expecting $15,700 because that looked like a flag right there, but they actually didn't go down here, but they broke the flag and then decided to pump it back up. And we do know that Wednesdays and Thursdays like this, they do midweek reversals, so this is not a surprise. They always do midweek reversals, and I've seen this time and time again that, hey, we're just gonna do midweek reversals. So they always do this so that during the weekends, the red candles can continue to the downside. So you can see very clearly the problem with this pump again is that it goes back to resistance. But I do expect Bitcoin the maximum relief or correction, because we're in a downtrend and we're correcting to the upside now before the next impulsive move to go lower, is that I could expect Bitcoin to go to $18,000. Okay, if Bitcoin does go to $18,000, it wouldn't be a surprise, because I want to show you this thing on the weekly. By the way, the EMAs on the weekly is what I need to show you right now. So back into the EMAs again, and you can see that the 10 EMA is a place where Bitcoin can go and pump before it doesn't move lower. So you do have this level of support, and you can actually pump back up to 18,320, because we've seen this before as well. Okay, so move to the downside, spend some time here, pump back up to the 10, retest the 10, break down, retest the 10 again, break down, retest the 10 again, break down, maybe back up to retest the 10 here to 18,367 on a weekly time frame, of course. But I'm not really sure if they're gonna do anything like pump it all the way back up. This can actually be nothing more than a weekly bear flag to break down and continue lower like that. It's not a guarantee you're gonna actually pump back up, but I'm just saying, if the maximum you can pump, the possibility that is there for you to go up and correct to the upside could be 18,000. And keep in mind, that was a support right there, support right here, support right there, break to the downside, maybe go back on a weekly retest on 18,000. That's where the 10 EMA is, that's where the big resistance is, and get rejected once again. People think that, oh, we bottomed out, but no, that's where you get rejected again, and boom, continue lower. So I hope that this one makes sense, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.